Is your Lenovo Legion laptop completely dead? No lights, no fan, no sign of life? Don't panic. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to revive it. We'll cover common causes and practical fixes, starting with the simplest solutions first. Begin with preliminary checks of your power adapter and connections. First, verify that your AC adapter is working properly by using a multimeter to measure the output voltage, which should be 19 to 20 volts for most Lenovo Legion models. Next, ensure the adapter cable is securely connected to both the laptop and the wall outlet. Check for any loose connections or damaged cables that might prevent power from reaching the device. Finally, try plugging the adapter into a different power outlet to eliminate potential electrical issues with the current outlet. Always prioritize electrical safety when troubleshooting. A hard reset discharges residual electricity and prevents static buildup. First, understand electrostatic discharge, which can damage components. Disconnect the AC adapter and all peripherals to isolate the power source. If your Legion has a removable battery, carefully remove it. This exposes internal components like the battery and cooling system. Press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds. This discharges any remaining electricity from the capacitors. Reconnect the adapter without the battery if it was removed. Then try powering on the laptop. This flowchart summarizes the hard reset process for reference. To access the BIOS on a Lenovo Legion laptop, repeatedly press N plus F2 or the Novo button while powering on. Start by powering on the laptop. Look for the Novo button hole, usually near the power button. Repeatedly press FN plus F2 or insert a paperclip into the Novo hole while the power button is pressed. If the BIOS menu appears, navigate to the Diagnostics section. Run the built-in hardware tests to identify issues like fan problems, voltage fluctuations, or other component failures. Alternatively, if the laptop can boot into Windows, use the Lenovo Vantage application. It provides diagnostic tools to scan for hardware issues and system health. Using BIOS Diagnostics or Lenovo Vantage helps determine if hardware errors like fan failures or voltage problems are causing the power issue. To isolate faulty components, first disconnect all external devices like USB drives, HDMI cables, and peripherals. This helps identify if the issue is with connected hardware rather than the laptop itself. Before handling internal components, protect against electrostatic discharge by wearing an anti-static wrist strap. Connect the strap to a grounded metal surface or use the PSU method to discharge static electricity safely. If comfortable with disassembly, reseat the RAM modules. Power off the laptop, remove the back panel, gently release the RAM clips, remove each module, and reinsert it firmly into the slot. This fixes loose connections that can prevent booting. To test if the SSD is faulty, power off, disconnect the current drive, and install a spare SSD if available. Try booting the laptop with the new drive to see if the issue persists, helping diagnose storage-related problems. Overheating is a frequent culprit in Lenovo Legion laptops failing to power on. The high-performance components generate significant heat during gaming and intensive tasks. Battery failures are also common in Legion laptops. As batteries degrade over time, they may fail to hold charge or prevent the laptop from powering on entirely. Legion batteries typically lose 20 to 30% of their capacity after just 2 years of heavy gaming use. Distinguishing between software and hardware problems is crucial when troubleshooting a Lenovo Legion laptop that won't power on. Software problems often show brief signs of life. If the laptop flickers lights or powers on momentarily, it could be a corrupted operating system. Recent Windows updates might be the culprit. Similarly, Lenovo Vantage updates can cause issues. Hardware problems are more serious. If there's no power at all, it typically indicates motherboard failure or blown capacitors. Blown capacitors on the motherboard are a common hardware failure, often visible as leaking or damaged components. If a recent update caused the problem, attempts to restore if the laptop is accessible. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps have resolved the issue with your Lenovo Legion laptop, it's time to seek professional help. Contact Lenovo support or a qualified technician when basic troubleshooting fails. Many Legion models come with warranties lasting up to 3 years that cover hardware defects. Be sure to document all the troubleshooting steps you've attempted. This information will be helpful for support teams and can strengthen your warranty claim. For complex issues such as motherboard repairs, professional assistance is crucial to avoid causing further damage. Remember the October 2025 recall affecting Legion 5 Pro models manufactured between 2023 and 2024 due to faulty power management integrated circuits. In summary, when your Lenovo Legion laptop won't power on, despite all efforts, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Proper documentation and warranty awareness can save time and ensure your device is repaired correctly.